Today I am unboxing and trying out this cute set of keycaps along with a matching mousepad and 3D keycap. First we have the keycap set here. You get a nice set along with some cute stickers. Next is this large desk mat mousepad to match. It's super cute and soft and works great. And lastly, we have this cute 3D keycap. It's made very well and has really nice detailing. Now I'm going to be adding these keycaps to my hot swappable RGB keyboard. Simply pop off the old keys with a keycap puller and replace with the new cute ones. Make sure you have the crossbuckle style for this set. And here is my brand new customized keyboard. It's so cute.